Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And I have a new box to the channel, and this is called Snack Rabbit, the International Goodies Box. I was excited to get this one. I think this is the first one ever for me that has international foods in it. So that's exciting. I don't think, maybe early on I was getting a few boxes that might have had some things from different areas. Of course, Oreo is down because she knows this is a snack. You need to go lay down. No. Go ahead, go lay down. So a little bit about Snack Rabbit. Oh, that's going to be a tongue twister. I do have some information written down. I try to give as much as I can. This box, let me see, munchies from different countries, which is good. And I do believe each box is a specific country. Yes, inside each box are international snacks that have been selected from a different country each month. Excuse me. You could receive cookies, crackers, wafers, chocolate, chips, candy, and candy are some of the surprises you will receive each month. And there is a little book, they call it a passport, a fun-filled booklet of interesting facts about the country of the month and info on the snacks. Also, what I found very interesting, I already slit the tape and opened this. I wanted to see if they had like a card or a booklet or something. So when I opened it, there was an audio message from Snack Rabbit, which you can also get yourself. You have the option to record a message to a friend or a family member, and it plays when you open the box. So I don't think it'll replay, which is funny, but I wish I didn't do that, but if I didn't catch it close to the microphone, you might have missed it. Some of the countries that they have done or will do: Israel, Italy, France, Greece, Ireland, Mexico, England, and Australia, to name just a few. So that's interesting. The standard box is 5+ items. That is, I'm just trying to get $17 a month. And if you do like the 3, 6, 12 months, it's cheaper. And then the premium box is 10+ items. And that one is $27 a month. And obviously a few dollars cheaper if you do the prepay. You choose how long you want your subscription to last. Free shipping in the United States. For right now, it only ships to the U.S. They are working on shipping to other areas. Boxes ship on the 15th of every month. And they primarily use United States Postal Service for their shipping method. I do have a discount code. If you use UnboxIt2, you get $2 off your first box, and I will put that on the screen and in my description box. So it says munchies from different countries, and you can, ooh, almost lost that. See on the side, like some of the things that you could get. I don't think this will replay.
Hi Maureen, we hope you enjoy your snack box. This month we are featuring snacks from Poland. Enjoy.
Oh, I don't know if you guys heard that, but it did. I have to have my shipping thing here because I like to know when I received it. So this is, so it does play again. So this box is from Poland. Right here, a little sneak peek. So this is the little passport that they were talking about. Monthly munchies from different countries. Poland. Oh, some things fell out. So here we have a little sticker that says Snack Rabbit. And this says, I do not share. Like, I do not share. That's cute. Let me put that up here. So here it does, I guess, tell you what's inside, because if it's from other countries, it might not be in English. So that's nice. Poland is the 9th largest country in Europe. The capital of Poland is Warsaw, which I didn't know that. And it says items included in box, not in pamphlet or bonus items. So I don't know if they give you bonus items. But, you know, let's get into this. It is like 3 o'clock here. So I would probably, if I try everything or open everything, which I probably won't do, it's just going to be a small sample. This could ruin my appetite for dinner if I'm not careful. I do have scissors here. So let's do the first thing that seems like a big bag here. And this is, sorry for the noise, but I want to show you what this is. This is called flips right here. Let me just find it on the card. crunchy, fluffy corn puffs with a subtle taste. A delicious gluten-free quality corn crisp for all ages to enjoy. I will open that. And then I can just put like chip clips on everything. That smells good. Maybe now we can have it fill out the bag, I guess, shipping. So here's what it looks like inside. We'll give one of these a little taste. That's what they look like. They taste like Rice Krispies. Okay, so that's the first thing. That's actually not bad. I'm going to try another one. Actually, that's what I get, Rice Krispie. For, you know, as a reference to something here. Not bad. They are crispy. Let's see this. Now, you know, obviously, Petit. I don't know. I'm not Polish. I'm probably massacring some of this stuff. Crispy crackers paired with a delicious milk chocolate coating. Okay, let's open them. I'm going to have to seal all this stuff back up nicely. And it is in a little, like a little tray. And this is what it looks like right here. And on the back is chocolate. I'm just going to take a little bite. That is delicious. Okay. I'll have to leave that out. That's good. I'm getting chocolate everywhere. Wow. Dre's. Fun bite-sized milk candy drops with a milky vanilla taste. I guess I am going to be opening everything. I'm going to give that a little slit. Let's see if I can open this. Get that. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that cracker is so good. If we had them here, I would buy them. These are just a little tiny, soft, like a little hard exterior. Tastes a little bit of vanilla. Of course, you can't read, you know, like everything is obviously not in English. That's actually pretty tasty. Sikaz from Wista. A chocolate-covered wafer roll with a nice and creamy cocoa filling. And I guess I'm opening everything because this looks like a nice box. To get, oh, okay. I might not try this just because this might make a mess. I wish I had a knife. That's what that looks like. So it is a roll. Do I just bite it? You know what? I'm just going to bite it. That's what that looks like. That's actually pretty good. Also, why wouldn't it be? Wow. So far, this is my favorite. I will finish that. Okay, this I probably won't open. Just because I'd like to save this. This is a croissant. This is Waywell croissant. A flaky, airy croissant paired with a cocoa cream filling for a delightful snack. I would rather have this with like a tea or a coffee. So this one I will not open just because, you know, I'm really going to kill my appetite here. Let me just take some of this stuff out so I can make a little, wow. Oh, there's like a lot of stuff in here. Wow. Obviously, this is the premium box because there's a lot in here. Okay, the next thing is from E. Weddle Dark Creme Brulee Flavor Dark Chocolate. I'm not going to open this. I'm not a huge fan of dark chocolate, but I will try it. I just have to find it on here. Creme brulee flavor filling inside thin shell of dark chocolate. I'm sure that's don't like anything. Delicious. And this is Lubizi. Right here. A sponge cake in a teddy bear shape with a moist milk cream filling. I'm sure that's delicious. Like I said, I cannot open everything. Just, it's impossible. Taste everything, I mean. This is Amki Superfoods Sesame Bar with amaranth. No, let's find this. A crunchy sesame bar combined with amaranth and honey for a nutty flavor makes this a perfect superfood snack for on the go. I will definitely try that. Let's see. Oh, chalwa. I have no idea if I'm saying these properly. A light and soft textured halva snack rich with vanilla sweetness. There's that. It's a lot of things. Then there are, is it just three? Three little candies here. Let me see if these are on here or if these are like extra that they, it looks like it's from the same dark chocolate company as the chocolate bar E Weddell. This is Peen Tikka, and this is peanut butter. This is, oh, I have no idea. Oh, no idea how to pronounce that one. Right there, little treats. And this says cookie on it, and there are like cookies on the back, so we'll leave that there. Let's try to keep everything in the box if I can. And then here, the last item is from Lorenz, and this says Crunch Chips Sticks. And it looks like they're ketchup flavored. Crunchy potato sticks with nice ketchup flavor and a hint of salt. Oh, I love a good potato or anything like that. So let me see if I can give you a little peek in the bag. You can smell the ketchup. Okay, let's try one or two of those. They're just little, like potato sticks. And you can taste the ketchup. A little spicy. Wow. Well, that's good. They're delicious. I would say this is my favorite. Oreo is like here, like, come on, share some of this stuff. Wow. Thank you, Snack Rabbit. I think this is a great box. Definitely filled with lots of goodies. I'm happy with this box. If you love snack boxes from different countries, I think this would be a great one to get. Taste everything and do an unboxing and a review on. Out of the items I tasted, I didn't taste anything that I wouldn't eat, that I don't like. I am a very picky eater. I have texture issues. If something is off, I'm not eating it. I don't like it. But out of the things that I opened, which, like I said, I can't open everything. It will ruin my appetite. And then it's kind of hard if I, like, bite something. I'll have to cut it so that I can share. But I definitely think this is a great box. And the price, once again, oh, I'm getting crumbs everywhere. $17 for the standard, which is 5+, and the premium 10+ is $27. I have crumbs everywhere. So big thank you to Snack Rabbit for sending this to me. I think this is a great, great box. Don't forget about Unbox It Too. You can save $2. And Oreo was here thinking, come on, share some of these goods. You can't have these. No. Her nose is up in the air. Like, what am I smelling? So let me know what you thought about this box. Would you order this one? I think this, just to get different countries to try, I think that's so interesting and fun. So this is the Poland box. So I'm not sure if this is October, but it probably is for Poland. Or if they even do it that way and they just choose different countries. So I'm excited. Hopefully I'll get another one. If not, maybe I'll order one and see. But thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.